Run with me 5 kilometers while sharing to you 5 simple ways how to be healthy from minimal to at low cost at all. So, tara! So for today's run, supported because Jonas Hair International. Hindi ko alam mo yun, pero a friend of mine recommended and isa siya sa mga organizer. Joshua! Hindi lahat ng runs na sinasalihan ko kasi magastos. But if it's a cause, and we're doing it for charity, why not? Diba? Guys, so first tip for our first kilometer, eat talaga natin sugar, nakadaming sugary drinks. And eat every day from milk tea, coffees, and sodas. Yeah, you have to drink more water para ma-wash out the sugar. And the lifestyle that we have as a Filipino is one of the cause. Bakit daming obese, daming overweight. Bata pa lang may mga sakit na dahil maraming sugary drinks. So cut them up. Kilometer 2. So tip number 2 is sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. But the common problem from us breadwinners is we think sleeping is a sign of laziness or unproductivity. Well, actually, sleeping is part of the process. Your rest, your recovery, para mas meron kang productivity kapag lalaban ulit. Wala na bukas, big day na naman. Third kilometer. So tip number 3 is to do home workouts or body workouts na hindi kailangan ng gym. So push-ups, squats, sit-ups na hindi naman kailangan gumastos. And as well as there are videos sa YouTube na pwede mong utilize for free. So minsan nagiging rest ko yung ads kasi nga libre yung gusto natin. So no excuse. 10 to 20 minutes per day is ready enough to pump your heart rate. Diba? Ayan. Alright, 4th kilometer. And 4th tip. If hindi nyo kaya mag-body workout or mag-home workout, lakad na lang kayo. Challenge yourself at least 10 to 30 minutes of walking for free. And that's all for free. You can do it during your break time or after work. Pag nagko-commute ka, matik na yun na naglalakad ka. But if you have a car, i-park mo sa malayo one time. Or at least siguro thrice a week para meron kang time maglakad from your parking to your office. And vice versa. And that's already part of a cardio. We're done with our 5K. 5th tip is for you to journal. What are you grateful for? What are you being anxious of? Makes you depressed? What bugs you? Lahat ng maiisip mo, sulat mo siya kasi it's a big part of your mental health. It's being self-aware of why are you feeling such feelings para mas maging restful ka. Makakain ka na maayos. Maka-exercise ka nang walang iniisip. Lalo na ba pag work ka na mas maayos, mas maging productive ka. So do it in a notebook or maybe a digital copy of type mo. Ako kasi tinatype ko minsan kasi pangit ako magsulat. So that's my 5 tips without any cost or minimal cost para mas maging healthy tayo. And it doesn't have to be that common notion about being healthy. Dapat meron kang 5-pack. Dapat meron kang 6-pack abs. Or nakapag-marathon ka. Ay, mga simpleng bagay lang is already part of your health. And with just small decisions, you could build up to a better you, better health. And ayun. So, sana mas maging healthy tayo. Pa-healthy tayo, guys.